using your car over time, it wears out gradually. And then the elements beat around it and also on your headlamps. And that is the reason why your headlamp will go from this to this. But today we're going to be talking about how you can get your dull headlamp restored back to what it's supposed to be. We won't be discussing it, we'll be showing you how to properly do it. When you go on YouTube and you search for how to make your headlamps sharp again, you see a lot of videos telling you about you can use toothpaste and maybe the gritty ones and then get your toothbrush and brush it and get it all done. Well, that may work to an extent, but we're showing you how to properly do it today. Come along and let's see how it goes. Just looking at it now, we can compare this to this. The difference is already there. Now that the sandpapering is done, this is what it looks like. But we're going to give it a few more minutes to dry up. Looking closely, you see all the dirt and the grimes falling off the headlamps all over the car, right over there. But now we just give it a few minutes to dry up before we do the next thing we're going to do. This is the part where we tape rough papers around the headlamps to prevent the chemicals we're spraying on the headlamps from getting to the body of the car. And that's definitely after it must have dried out a little bit. And this is what we have after we've wrapped up the body of the headlamps. Yeah. You can see it getting clearer. It's a mixture of the thinner and the hardener and the varnish. And that's what it looks like now. On to the next. It gets clearer. And that is it for making your headlamp look better.